Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haryo Kunto, TISF program. I will present the project PMD. The name of project is DevOps with Git, GitHub, and Jenkins pipeline. Review, I will talk DevOps, what is Git, GitHub, Jenkins, and implementation. DevOps is the blending of the terms development and operation, meant to represent a collaborative or shared approach to the task performed by a company application development and IT operation team. The term DevOps is used in several ways. In its most broad meaning, DevOps is an operational philosophy that promotes better communication between the team and other. Basic theory, component usage. Git. Git is a distributed version control system designed to track change in source code during software development. It allows multiple developers to collaborate on the same project simultaneously without interfering with each other work while keeping a detailed history of change. And GitHub is a web-based platform used to manage and host Git repositories. It is one of the most popular service for collaborative version-based software development and support version control with Git, which is a distributed version management system. Next, Jenkins is an open source automation tool used to facilitate the software development process, especially in terms of continuous integration or CA and continuous delivery or CD. With Jenkins, developer can automate various tasks such as code testing, application deployment, and monitoring. Docker is an open source platform designed to automate the delivery, deployment, and operation of application inside container. Containers are lightweight unit and can contain the entire environment needed to run an application, include code dependency, library, and system setting. Implementation Git and GitHub. Transfer file or project folder from local storage on the device to the repository or vice versa. Transfer from the repository to local storage. Oh, this is from workspace at staging index and then local repository and then remote repository or will to workspace or local storage. Next, concept and business. First, create akun GitHub, login and create repository, and then download and install Git. Open Git Bash unfolder your project. The first step is to set up an email for the user, then create the folder as a Git folder by typing Git in it. Git add, but if we want to add all the file in the folder, we can do it by typing git add titik and the remote to the repository by typing git remote at origin your repository, and then git commit. We do a commit to list the file to be commit by typing git commit message first commit. Then we do a push to move the file into the repository by typing git push min origin master. Then the file will automatically enter the repository. Then if you want to mod the file in the repository with those in local storage, use the git pull command. Implementation Jenkins pipeline. Jenkins pipeline is a feature in Jenkins that allow automation of software development workflow in a more structured and flexible way. Pipeline defines a series of stages and steps that are performed during the CI or the CD, continuous integration, or continuous delivery process. Pipeline is written in the form of code script using the Groovy language in a file called Jenkins file. Concept for the Jenkins: install Jenkins, download Jenkins from the official Jenkins website, and then integration with plugin. Choose a recommended or custom plugin installation as needed. Manage plugin. Running the pipeline, and then pipeline script, and then monitoring build. You can view the progress and result of each build on the build history page on the left side of the Jenkins dashboard. Click on a specific build to view the output log or detail of the build failures and success. Then I will present the paper. Okay, this is the paper for project PMD developed with GitHub and Jenkins. In the paper, there are basic theory for continuous integration, version control, Git, and GitHub. I will present implementation DevOps with Jenkins. The first thing to do before starting for implement the DevOps methodology using GitHub is that the developer must download Jenkins. After that, double-click Jenkins MSE and install. User will be direct to the Jenkins dashboard, and the user can click new item to use Jenkins feature. In this project, developer use freestyle project. Then developer will be direct to configuration for of the item. Then in the general tab, the user may type a description. In this project, developer use GitHub as the repository, so developer can check the GitHub project and input the URL in the text box as shown below. So in the source code management, the developer choose Git and input the repository URL in the text box. In build trigger tab, the developer can choose what the trigger that the developer want. In this project, the developer use poll SGM. In the schedule text box, the developer type start for 5. It means Jenkins will check every minute whether changes were made a new commit and build the project if there is new commit since the last build. Next, developer can go to build environment. If there is build environment that developer were one before build start. In this project, developer didn't need any build and environment before the build start. So the developer can go straight to the build tab. In there, developer can choose the build step in the add build step. After that, the developer can go to post build action tab and choose the action that the developer want after build the project. Next is build a story of Jenkins. In this feature, there are various functions such as build list table and timeline table. In the build list table, there are lists of project building results along with information in the form of image, timestamps, which mean when the last project was built. So this implementation DevOps methodology using Jenkins pipeline. Pipeline is a plugin that supports the implementation of continuous delivery pipeline creation in Jenkins. Continuous delivery pipeline is a command that is script so that the software we script can be delivered to user from version control to deployment. When we install Jenkins, by default, there is no Jenkins pipeline. We need to install the pipeline plugin first. Before we create a pipeline, there are concepts that need to be understood first. A pipeline contains all the command code instruction for a continuous delivery process such as compiling, testing, deploying. For example, pipeline. This is concept pipeline. And first, execute this pipeline or any of its states on any available agent. Two, define the build stage. Three, perform some step related to the build stage. Four, define, define find the test stage. Five, performs some step related to the test stage. Define the deploy state. 7. Perform some step related to the deploy stage. Step is an instruction or command, then create pipeline job. Plan. Click new item, select pipeline, fill in the pipeline script for there, the concept pipeline, and then console output for pipeline job. So conclusion, DevOps is a collaborative approach that integrates software development and IT operation to increase efficiency in the process of developing, testing, and managing application. DevOps encourage better communication between development and operation team, accelerating the delivery of product and service. Suggestion, automation is at the heart of DevOps. Automate process like integration, testing, and deployment to reduce the potential for manual error and speed up the development cycle. Maybe that's all I can present. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.